Good morning. I am Dr. Rameshwar Rathod, Department of English, LBS College Satara. Dear student, are informed that the whole world is going those a difficult situation due to the pandemic of COVID-19. So schools and college are closed. Therefore, classroom teaching has been taken online. You should not be a harm academically. So I am sending you a video on YouTube. You should watch it carefully. Today we are going to talk about the new topic, the epistolary novel. The epistolary novel means a novel in a form of letters. It is it was a particularly popular from 18th century. Among the more famous example are Richardson, Pamela 1740 and Clarissa 1747 to 48. Less well known are The Errors of Innocence is published in 1786. John Moore, The Mordaunt, is published in 18. Swinburne Love Cross Currents 1877. Such a technique has not often been favor, but his John Birth letters published in 1979, where the author writes to the character from his previous novel, Alex Walker, The Color of Purple, published in 1982. We need to talk about The Kevin is published in 2003 are notable recent example. It is not the unusual for later to make up some part of novel. A number of novels written recently are entire and entires of email correspondence, and David Levin's 11 2005 is one of the example. So the word of epistole comes from the Latin word epistola, the meaning of letters. An epistolary novel is written as a series of documents. The usual form of is letters. It's add a greater realism to the story. It's include the multiple narrator instead of an omniscient narrator. The story can be told and interpreted from the numerous viewpoints. The subjective points of view make it the forerunner of the modern psychological novel. Epistolary novel. The term of epistolary novel refer to the work of the fiction that are written in the form of letters of other documents. Epistle is simply the adjectival forms of the noun epistle from the Latin or Latin and Greek for letters. Letter as a written of genre, of course, the predates of the novel itself, and so as the novel is emergent in Europe in the 16th and 17th century, it was not uncommon of the authors to include the letters as a part of their overall narrative. This gives the readers a chance to hear from the characters in their own voice, adding the realism and psychological insight, and they usually advance in the plot as well as the first novel in English to be composed by entirely the letters is usually considered to be a love letters between the nobleman and his sister, published in 1684 and attributed to the versatile and playwright author Alfred Bain. Although the Bain characters are fictional, they were modeled in on the real life and likeness. Putting their narrative into form of the later increased the realism of Bain account. The many readers feel those they were secret and private correspondence. But the epistolary novel really comes into the own and the immensely popular novel of Samuel Richardson in the mid 18th century. Pamela Pamela in 1740 and even more massive Clarissa of 1748. The full title of Pamela makes clear both Richardson intentional and the formal appropriateness of the novel. Pamela or virtual rewarded in a series of familiar letters from beautiful young dimensional to hear the parents. The beautiful young dimensional was already Richardson time, but it adjective the familiar that is the importance here because it to be readers that would be a series of letter and concerning the household and its intimate the domestic details. So Pamela letters are familiar not because anyone had to read from their Richardson made them up after all, because they were composed into informal and free formal style suitable for that of a daughter writing her parents. Where the novel contains almost and exclusively only letters from Pamela, the novel of Clarissa, including not just her correspondence but also those of the gentleman Lovelace, who is give the readers two main perspective on the action of narrative. In this novel, Richardson perfect the style he called writing to the moment, in which character record their thoughts and action in what some to be real time, thus adding the further realism and immediate even the suspense to the genre. Richardson novels were the so popular they create the hung for the epistle novel as the evidence of its popularity. Consider the both first novel written in Canada, Francis Brooks, and the history of Emily Montague from the 1769, the first American novel, The Power of Sympathy by William Hilborn from 1788. Both are the epistle novel in from. Now, most of 18th century epistle novel the feature only one or two letters like the Richardson, but notable acceptation novel published in 1786 and the expeditions of the Harpy Cleaner. In this epistle novel, we read letters written by the wide range of characters who are traveling around the Britain together. The main letters writes the patriarch of the family, and a Walsh gentleman named Matthew Matthew. But we also read the letters from his sister, his niece, his nephew, and his sister maid servant. Their viewpoints on the small location and the activity are often too ridiculously different. Both are very important to just opposing and their perspective. In the novel is composed large argument and different. The epistolary novel origin of epistle novel originated from the novels with insert letters in which third person narrative in between the letters was the gradually reduced. Originated from the collection of letters and poetry, some of the letters were tied the together in most amorous plot. And the recently the electronic documents such as recording and radio blogs and emails you have also come to use the word of epistolary from the epistolary from can add the greater realism to a story because it mimics and working of the real life. It is thus able to demonstrate a different point of view without recourse to the device of the omniscient narrator, and important strategy devise the epistolary novel and creating the impression of the authenticity of the latter in is the fictional. The epistolar novel can be categorized based on the number of people whose letters are included. The give of three types of epistolar novel. Monologic give the letters only of the one character, like letters of Portuguese. Sorrow of the young, sorrow of the young. The dialogue given the letters of two characters, like Mary John Rebecca's letter of female butler is 1757. The polylogic were three more letters writing characters such in the Barmstroke Derricula. A crucial element of polylogy and epistolar novel like Clarissa and the Dangerous, the dramatic device of the disparate awareness and simultaneous but separate correspondence